Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. My name is Mashudu and today we are talking African black soap. This has been a staple of mine for a few years now, and I will be honest, the African black soap doesn't magically grow your hair, but it helps to create the perfect environment for your hair to thrive. I use raw African black soap, which is 100% natural and free from preservatives, dyes, and fragrances. I've cut the soap into smaller pieces so that it can easily dissolve in the water. And I'm adding glycerine to my shampoo. Please feel free to add whatever you have or what your hair likes, and also keep it as simple as possible. I'm also adding half a cup of hot water and not boiling water to dissolve the soap. Although African black soap is drying on its own, it is best used with oils added to it in order to offset the dryness and add moisture to the scalp and hair. It is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory, and it effectively cleanses the scalp, leaving a healthy environment for your hair follicles. It is a great cleanser for hair loss, eczema, itchy scalp, and dandruff. It gently exfoliates the scalp and strips any debris that may clog the hair follicles, and also removes excess oils from the scalp and hair. African black soap is made out of ingredients such as coconut oil, shea butter, plantain bark, palm tree leaves, and cocoa ash pod. I always strain my shampoo because there's always some debris that might be left behind, so I do not want that to scratch my scalp. I'm now adding tea tree essential oil as it helps treat dandruff and thicken the hair. I forgot to show you this, but the applicator bottle had a mix of coconut oil and olive oil in it, and that's what you see there on top of the African black soap shampoo. And there you have it, my African black soap shampoo is done and ready to be used. I am now using my applicator bottle to direct the shampoo to my scalp and massaging the shampoo on my scalp, because the focus of this wash is to cleanse the scalp. My hair strands will be cleansed as I rinse off the shampoo from my scalp. I'm going to use this whole bottle for my wash because this shampoo has not been preserved. that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and comment down below and tell me how you use your African black soap. Thank you once again, and I will see you on the next one.